Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you a very short video of an unlisted private loft studio. It has a queen bed and an option to have a one single bed. So it's good for two adults and maybe a kid. And it has its own private entrance. It has its own kitchen with its own utensils. You can be using electric stove, like a stove top, and the fridge. You can use a fridge with ice maker and bottled water, and your own washer and dryer, and a full bath with a tub, and it will be with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And yeah, it's a pretty sized bathroom, and also with medicine cabinet, of course. Anyway, so this whole area is about only 400 square feet, but it has a loft. It has a small living room and a walk-in closet with hangers, of course. And we will put in a desk, like an office desk. We have free Wi-Fi. There's a fireplace. It's not wood burning, it's electric fireplace where you only switch on and off, and it has like a good, like flame. It has a separate entrance, and it goes to the side of the house, so you won't even see the owners of the house. And it's about 5 minutes to the outlets and 5 minutes to Gilroy Gardens.